and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be making easy hot cocoa cups, and we are going to show you what we are using to make them. It is a simple recipe and it does not cost much. We got marshmallows. You can pick everything up from Walmart. We got these for $1. The candy canes we got from Family Dollar. They were $1. And then our cocoa was $1 at Walmart. And we are going to be using these chocolate melts. You can use any kind of baking chocolate, but this is all our Walmart has, so that's what we're going to be using. And we are going to be using a Dixie cup. Okay, the first thing you need to do is take your chocolate and melt it, and we have already done that. So I'm going to add some to my cup. And then in your cup, what you're gonna do is kind of roll the chocolate around so that it gets down to the bottom really good. And I'm making a mess, but all over the sides. Okay, all the kiddos are making theirs, but I want to show you what it looks like. You're going to have chocolate at the bottom of the cup and around all the sides, and when you're done, you're going to put it in the freezer for a little while to get the chocolate hot. Froze, not hot. We don't want the chocolate to melt. Alright guys, I've taken my cup out of the freezer. It should be good and froze. I'm just going to take these scissors and try and cut the cup. Just be careful with it. If it breaks the chocolate some, it's okay. Just go slow. And it should pop right out. Okay, so there is 1 cup. And we're going to come back and show you all of the kids' cup. And then we're going to fill them up and show you how it turns out. Okay, so we're just gonna do this 1 cup because the kids decided to let theirs sit in the freezer a little bit longer. So you have your chocolate cup, and then you're gonna pour your hot cocoa in the cup. And you can use more than 1 pack, but for this we're just gonna use 1 pack.
I need another one.
And then we're gonna put some marshmallows on top. Well, you can do another one. Okay, we're gonna do 2. We're gonna do 2 packs of hot cocoa. All right, we're gonna put some peppermints in it. Here's put peppermint. Like stick it so it looks like a straw. And you can add whatever it is you want to yours, whatever you like. More peppermint sticks or candy canes, marshmallows.
Give me another peppermint.
But for now, we are just doing candy canes and marshmallows.
What?
Now you can add a top to these if you like to, but we decided not to do the tops.
No, I can add this at the top of mine.
And okay, this is part of a cup that did not freeze well enough, so he is using that for his top. Alright guys, here is our final project. We got 1 cup done. It's just that simple, guys. Just melt your chocolate, put it in the freezer. Make sure you put enough in the cup so that it won't break when you're taking it out of the cup. And then you're going to get some hot milk and put it in your coffee mug or cup of your choice. Add your cocoa cup And there you have it, Easy Hot Chocolate. If you like this video, guys, don't forget to give it a like. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. If you're new to our channel and this is your first time here, please subscribe. We would love to have you a part of the family, and thank you so much for watching.